Hello, my name is Paul Papanik Stork, and I'd like to invite you to join me in Chicago the week of December 9th to the 13th, 2019 for SharePoint Fest Chicago. I'll be presenting a full-day workshop the first day of the week called Office 365 Feature Explosion, What You Should Be Using. More about that in a minute. For the rest of the week, I'll also be there all week presenting other topics on things like Microsoft Flow, Office 365 data loss prevention, and Microsoft PowerApps. Hope to see you at my sessions as well. But let's talk about what's going to be going on in my workshop on Monday. One of the problems that a lot of people face with Office 365 is that there are so many different applications that are included in the licensing. Usually people use just a fraction of what's available. We all use SharePoint and OneDrive, but how many of us also go on to use things like Stream and Flow and Teams and Yammer and PowerApp and Sway? The problem is there's so much there. It's hard to understand exactly what's available, how to use it, why to use it, and how to control it. So what I'm going to be doing in my workshop on Monday is we're going to take all of the applications that most people never get to in Office 365, and we're going to look at them three ways. The first thing we're going to do is take a look at what the user experience is for each of the applications. Then we're also going to take a look at what the business case is. Why would you use that application as opposed to maybe something else that might be very similar? And then finally, we'll take a look at the administrative controls that are available as you roll out these applications to users in your environment, so that you can control their use and so that you can limit who's using them, when they're using them, and how to train them on it. Again, this will be the week of December the 9th to the 13th in Chicago at SharePoint Fest Chicago. Hope to see you there. Bye.